step forward, 2 steps back. Getting pretty tired, getting off track. You wanted perfection and I'm not that. You let me know. 2 years going down the drain. Watch it all go by, clouded window pane. I want something better, but my heart is stained. You let me know. Now any piece of mind I had is gone. I let it go, but never learned how to move on. Now I've lost my appetite again. It's not worth it, but you swear it is. And I hold on 'cause I'm afraid of change. And you know that, and you use that, and you break me till I love.
I hope you're having a great trip, Hannah. I am. I love it here. It's so beautiful. Yes. All right, you want to go in the water? Yeah. That was so beautiful swimming in that cold water. Sandy, what did you think of the cold water?
Good.
It was so nice and refreshing. And
The spot that was a little bit deep.
did you jump in?
Yeah.
And we had some snacks, but now we're pretty hungry. So we're heading home to eat some leftovers for snack. I do not know how to vlog. I'm always vlogging my chin. Ellen is very cold and desperate to get outside in the sun. We're throwing together some leftovers. We have leftover lentil dal with some salad.
Would it be wrong if I ate my cake first?
You should have your cake and eat it too, I think. Camera. Delicious, yummy, whole plant foods out in the sunshine. Beautiful day. Beautiful day. This is my sister, by the way. And somehow we are filming on the same day. I'm not sure how I feel about it. All right.
We're all gonna share. I mean pink. We're all gonna share, right?
Okay, this is already a mess and we haven't even started. Eric and I really wanted to do a craft with the kids and we got these lanyard strings. This is a lot thinner than I remember. When I was a kid, it was like a bit thicker. Eric knows how to do these and he is going to show the kids.
Pull tight, but don't pull hard.
Oh, so now it's
And that's how you start it, yeah.
And then you do the other one loop and loop.
Yep, and go over, under.
Oh my gosh, this was my life when I was a
And
kid.
then this one you go over,
It's
under.
bringing me back. All I did was make lanyards.
I did it.
Let me see, Scout.
Line them up.
Alpha, this is a little bit.
Nice work, Sandy.
What the how big is that?
Look at
Look at that.
what? And he's not talking because he's concentrating. The baby is napping and I'm just getting changed and ready because we're going to Elvis's baseball game. My nephew Elvis, he's 9 and this is one of his last games of the year. This is probably the last game he's going to pitch in, and so we definitely want to go. I'm just showing you, I know I'm trying out all these new sunscreens, I'm always telling you guys, but my favorite sunscreen was discontinued. Very sad day. So now I'm trying out Verse, obviously vegan and cruelty free. I really like it so far. Just before this I was trying out Sunbum face sunscreen and I didn't love it, to be honest. Like, I'll use it when this runs out. I don't want to waste things, but it's not my favorite. This I really, really like. They actually sell it at Target, but I find it to be a little expensive. Why are these face sunscreens so expensive? This is like $22 and it's only 1.7 ounces. And you're supposed to like reapply sunscreen throughout the day. I'm gonna run out real fast. What's up?
Mom said I could sit in your car again, but when are we gonna wake up Cosmo, because we might be late.
We are on our way rushing out the door to see Elvis's baseball game. I'm so excited to see him play. Is he a good player, Sandy?
Yeah.
He's a good pitcher, especially.
Good pitcher.
Yeah, he's like the best pitcher actually.
We know this is Ellen's car because we can see someone playing with her hair up in front. Alright, we've got Thai food for the family, bringing it in. I'm so excited to eat it. Ah, no, Cosmo, no! Boy, you're getting heavy. My goodness. I am hungry. Hey, Ellen. Just hey for my video, I don't know.